Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix elements that overlap in your WIX mobile view. From your dashboard you want to click Edit Site or Design Site if you're still in the early stages of building your website like I am. Once you click Design or Edit Site, the WIX Editor will load your website into the editor. Okay, our website's been loaded into the editor. Now keep in mind, this is the desktop version of the website. In order to view and edit the mobile view of your website, you want to click the icon up here, the phone icon, switch to mobile, and it will switch over to the mobile view of your website. So if you see text, images, or buttons overlapping each other, don't worry, this is very common and very easy to fix. You want to click on the first element that's causing the overlap. In this case, our first element that we see overlap is here, Latest Insights. So as you can see, this element is overlapping our right border. So it's real easy. Just want to click, left click, hold. Pull it over here a little bit since this is kind of covering this little dot here in order for me to resize it. Just go ahead and resize a little bit. Get it to how you want it to look. I want it to be in a little bit more than that. Click off. That looks great. That is one section. This is one section, and within this section is an element. This is an element. This is an element. Okay, that looks good. Continue to scroll down and check out other sections. These sections look good. Whoop. Looks like we have some overlap here in the personal training section from the About Us section. So let's go ahead and fix this. Again, it's really simple. You can click here, drag this down, resize. You can also click this gear icon here. It gives you some additional settings. Here you can change the alignment. For instance, you can make it left justified, more centered, right justified, completely centered or jumbled, kind of like left justified. And click off here. This is now set. The About Us looks good. This image is overlapping. We want to pull this down a little bit. Pull this up. That looks pretty good. As you can see, it's really simple to edit this view and adjust these layers, elements, and sections. So moving on down, looks like we have an overlap here. So you can click on these two arrows, these up-down arrows, adjust section height, or double-click to remove any extra space. It's really depending on what you want to do, so we can go ahead and click here, move this up. Resize this a bit. Oops. That one's cleaned up. And say there's an image or a element that you don't want. For instance, for what this website's about, I really don't want this. So you can click this element and then click Hide Section for Mobile. And what that does, it takes that whole section out and hides it from the mobile. And if you want to restore it, you can just click Show and restore it. For those pictures, it doesn't really mesh with the type of design or website we're trying to put in place here. So, and then we want to move this up just a bit. Okay, that's it. We have redesigned the mobile view. We've cleaned up some overlapping, some elements that were a little too wide, some images that were overlapping other sections. Right now this looks pretty good. Keep in mind you have tools over here. You can go into here in this tool section, and if it's not clicked, you can click toolbar to pull up this toolbar. You can click layers to pull up layers. You can click a layer, like this will take you right into the service list or the About Me. Here you can just click and make sure everything looks good. So there's a lot of options here to make your site look and feel how you want it. I like where we are here. And that's it. Thank you for watching.